How to add rent to Experian Boost. Follow the instructions. Go to the Experian Boost website and create a free account or log in if you already have one. Choose the option to add positive payment history to your credit report. Link the bank account or credit card you use to pay rent. Grant permission for Experian to access your transaction data. Wait while Experian scans your account for recurring rent payments. Review the list of transactions that Experian identifies as rent payments. Select the correct rent payments from the list provided. Verify the payment amounts and confirm they are for rent. Ensure you have made at least 3 rent payments in the past 6 months. Confirm that at least one of the payments was made within the last 3 months. Submit your rent payment data for review and approval. Check your credit score to see if it increased after rent was added to your report. Thank you for watching.